Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Food Packaging Forum workshop on hazardous chemicals in food contact materials, ? My name is Martin Scheringer. I'm the president of the board of the Food Packaging Forum Foundation, and I'm a chemist by training, and I'll be the chairman of the meeting today. We have a very interesting range of presentations, and you've seen a very interesting program. We have 5 presentations in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. We have a lunch break from 12 to 1:30, more or less. And each presentation will be about 20-25 minutes presentation, and then there are a couple of minutes for questions and discussion. And we also will have discussion at the end around we want to finish at 4:30, so we'll have some discussion also at 4. Then there are 2 changes compared to our initial agenda or initial workshop program. And this concerns the last talk in the morning. This is the talk at 11:30, which will be given by Dr. Pete Myers. Initially, we had planned to have somebody from the French authorities here to talk about the French regulation of bisphenol A, but this was not possible, so we are very glad that Pete Myers, Pete, are you here? Sitting here in the back, that Pete was willing and available to stand in for this and will talk also about bisphenol A. And the other change concerns the talk directly after the coffee break in the afternoon. This is at 3. Here our plan was to have somebody from EFSA to talk about NIAS, the non-intentionally added substances, but there was very short notice that this was not possible, so we had to also find a replacement here, and we are very grateful to Peter Oldring to give a talk on the topic of NIAS, and this will be in the context of the facet model or tool for exposure assessment. Thank you also. Peter Oldring, are you? Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, this is what we have to announce, and then the final announcement I would like to make here is we also have a television team from a French TV station. They are here in the back, and they will film some parts of the event today, so feel free to also talk to them if you like that. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. It's an opportunity, and they also may contact some of you and ask you questions. So this is more or less what I have as announcement and for the start, so I don't want to take much more time. I wish you all a very productive and interesting day, and I'm happy to give the floor to our first speaker, who is Professor Dr. Thomas Backhaus from Gothenburg University. And Thomas will give an overview of chemical risk assessment as the first part of our program today.
Thanks.